everyone, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the APM update, and this update is absolutely awesome. I've been requesting this update for I've been wanting this update for a long time now. So let's get into it. So here's the list. As you can see, we have a skid steer. An old one, and there's also another one on premium lifters, and this one is a bobcat. I really love this one. Just look at the design. See this? It's so awesome. So let's get. They can just turning is actually great. So look at this, and he actually did them. That's what. So if you go on the different library, or you want to do, it only works in private servers, then you can do that. See this? This is absolutely awesome. You also pull it out, they go like this, and nasty. I might like this baking light, and there's all the time. So that's all for this update. I hope you all enjoyed it. So, as always, peace out.